Wirth's 4-in-1 double-ended ratchet spanner is an extremely efficient tool. 70% of uses can be taken care of by a single spanner. The inserts of chrome vanadium steel are robust and grip the nut securely. Thanks to the slim spanner head, you can get to places that are hard to reach. An optional 1/4-inch bit adapter turns the ratchet spanner into a bit ratchet spanner and makes it even more versatile. With one spanner, you can work with all conventional nuts, and with the bit adapter, you have countless further possibilities. A really efficient tool.